friends, I'm so excited to do this video today. We are going to be unboxing the newest collab that ColourPop just dropped, which is Toy Story. I got this package just a few days ago, but
he's mint in the box, never been opened.
And also, I am so excited for this new launch. This is kind of how I feel about it.
It's you! It's you! It's you! It's you! It's you! It's really you!
Yeah, Jessie really has some great lines. But without further ado, let's open up this box. I'm gonna let you see it first, okay? There's the packaging. Oh, look how cute. I love it. Funny story, so Toy Story 1 and 2 were like 90s films. And the first DVD we ever got, oh, this is gonna date me. The first DVD that we ever got when DVDs came out was a box set of Toy Story 1 and 2. Yeah. I'm not that old, okay?
You're mocking me, aren't you?
Let's dive right into this box. First up is the Jelly Much Trio set. Then we also have the glosses. There's like 4 of them. Jessie's, Buzz, Woody, and Bo. Bo was always my favorite character growing up. The Sour Candy Lip Mask.
I have been chosen. Farewell, my friend.
And then I'm sure Rex's favorite. I'm pretty sure he's excited about this one. Then the product I'm the most excited about is the eyeshadow palette. Perfectly embodies Toy Story. I love the back. I always love when they give them fun, creative names. The back pictures are all representing the colors with clouds. And today I wanted to do a fun little Buzz Lightyear inspired look. So in order to do that, I'm gonna need to wash this off. Oh, and there's a little something on this camera too. Let's get that off. Oh, that worked. Oh, got my makeup off too. We are ready to start. Gonna prep my eyes first with some pretty fresh concealer on my lids. Now, to get my eyes fully ready for a bold look, I'm going to set down a white base all over my lid so that basically it's a white canvas, ready to go. Sometimes I like this to be as pigmented as possible, so I will go and use my fingers to achieve this. I'm gonna first get started with Intergalactic. The next shade that I'm gonna go to is this dark one right here. This is called Falling with Style. To add just a little bit more depth and dimension, I'm gonna go with Infinity. Now, one of the best things about ColourPop is their shimmers. So we're gonna go in with Blast Off. And this one's feeling like a Super Shock formula. To further complement this look, I'm going to use Forky from the Jelly Much collection. If you've never tried a Jelly Much, you need to. I mean, look at that. We're gonna set my skin up for success by adding some pretty fresh primer with some pretty fresh hyaluronic hydrating foundation. Okay, now I think it'd be really fun to have the Volumizing mascara on the bottom lid. Finishing up a little bit of my face with a ColourPop bronze stick and blush. Now the lips are the finishing touch, and we're going to use the Buzz Lightyear Space Ranger lip gloss. Here is the finished look. What do we think? Thank you so much for watching. Who was your favorite character in all of the Toy Story movies? And which Toy Story film was your favorite? Mine personally was Toy Story 2. I thought that one was like so funny. And Bo Peep was always my favorite character. I always thought she's so cute. I think my next look will be inspired by her. Thank you so much for watching.